Hi guys, this is the unboxing of IQOO 9 Pro. It actually has both C-type pins on both ends. So I'm not going to explain more, as you can see most of the details in the description itself. But one thing I can say is even with with the massive battery, it charges the phone in less than 20 minutes. Nothing is actually. So we have received a cover with it. So this is the case, which was made with great quality, and this is the back. Sorry for the interruption. So and this is the back panel. So it got a slightly curved edge here.